Listen up. Protein is crucial. It builds your body and keeps you going. Think of it as the building block of your muscles, bones, and even your hair. Without enough protein, you're missing out on serious gains and overall health. Most people don't get enough. We're going to change that. Today we're diving into the world of high protein, 100 grams a day to be exact. This isn't just for bodybuilders, it's for everyone looking to feel stronger, leaner, and more energized. Buckle up because we're about to unlock your protein potential. Why 100 grams? Let's break it down and understand the reasoning behind this specific number. The recommended daily intake for adults is around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. That's the bare minimum to maintain basic bodily functions and overall health. But studies show that increasing protein intake can lead to some awesome benefits, especially if you're active or looking to build muscle. We're talking increased muscle mass, faster recovery after intense workouts, and even a boost in metabolism, which can help with weight management and overall energy levels. One study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that people who consumed twice the recommended daily intake of protein had greater muscle growth after resistance training. This highlights the potential benefits of higher protein consumption. So, while the exact number may vary depending on individual needs and goals, 100 grams is a solid target for those looking to level up their health and fitness. It's a practical and achievable goal for most people. What does protein actually do? Think of protein as the construction crew of your body. It's made up of amino acids, the building blocks for everything from your muscles and bones to your skin, hair, and nails. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down into these amino acids, which are then used to repair and build tissues. This process is crucial for muscle growth, especially after a workout when your muscles need to recover. But protein's benefits go beyond just building muscle. It also helps regulate hormones, maintain a healthy immune system, and even transports nutrients throughout your body. Alright, let's talk food. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to maintain a balanced diet, protein is essential. Hitting 100 grams of protein a day might sound daunting, but it's totally doable with the right foods. Planning your meals and making a grocery list can help you stay on track. Here are some protein powerhouses to add to your plate meat. It's a staple in many diets and offers a high protein content. Chicken, beef, turkey, and pork are all excellent sources of protein. These meats can be prepared in various delicious ways to keep your meals exciting. Aim for lean cuts to keep it healthy. Fish. Incorporating fish into your diet can add variety and essential nutrients. Salmon, tuna, and cod are not only packed with protein but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. These fish can be grilled, baked, or even enjoyed raw in sushi. One egg packs around 6 grams of protein. Eggs are versatile and can be included in many dishes. Start your day with an omelet or scramble for a protein boost. You can also add eggs to salads or sandwiches for an extra protein punch. Dairy, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and milk all provide a good dose of protein. These dairy products can be enjoyed on their own or added to smoothies and recipes. Choose low-fat or fat-free options when possible to keep your diet balanced and healthy. Don't forget about plant-based protein sources. They are a great alternative for those who prefer a vegetarian or vegan diet. Beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa are all excellent options for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. These foods are not only high in protein but also rich in fiber and other essential nutrients. Incorporate them into your meals for a well-rounded diet. Easy ways to up your intake. Here's the deal. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet to hit your protein goals. Simple tweaks can make a world of difference. Small changes can make a big difference. You'd be surprised how easy it is to incorporate more protein into your daily routine. Here are some easy hacks, straightforward and effective. Start your day with protein. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make it count. A high-protein breakfast sets you up for success. It keeps you full and energized throughout the morning. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Snack smart throughout the day to keep your energy levels up. Ditch the chips and opt for protein-rich snacks like nuts, seeds, hard-boiled eggs, or jerky. These options are both tasty and nutritious. Add protein to every meal. It's easier than you think. Even your veggies can get a protein boost. Sprinkle some protein powder or add chickpeas to your salads. Top your salad with grilled chicken or tofu or add beans to your soup. These small additions can make a big impact. Remember, consistency is key. Make gradual changes to your diet and find what works best for you. Over time, these small steps will lead to significant improvements in your protein intake and overall health. Here's the thing. You don't have to be a gym rat to benefit from a high-protein diet. It's important for everyone. For athletes, protein is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. For older adults, it helps maintain bone density and prevent muscle loss. And for everyone in between, protein provides sustained energy, supports a healthy weight, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. So, whether you're a weekend warrior or just looking to improve your overall health, don't underestimate the power of protein. Share your protein journey. All right, folks, that's the protein breakdown. Now I want to hear from you. What are your go-to protein sources? How do you make sure you're hitting your daily goals? Share your tips, recipes, and experiences in the comments below. Let's keep this protein conversation going.